So I was at the Dollar Tree and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So first off, I picked up these two different pumpkins, and then I also got one of these galvanized buckets, and I found this leaf garland, and I also picked up these foam fillers. And I actually have a plan for all this stuff that I just showed you, and I'm going to put in a video of how I make this project. I'm going to start with my galvanized bucket, and then I'm going to take the three foam forms and I'm going to stack them inside the bucket. Next, I'm going to take the pumpkin, one of the pumpkins, and I'm going to take the decor that's on top of it off. I'm going to use super glue, and I'm going to glue the bottom of the pumpkin and glue the bottom of the pumpkin to the top of the form. Then I'm going to take the next pumpkin and glue that to the top of the white pumpkin. Now I'm going to take the leaf garland and I'm going to put it around the two pumpkins. And while I'm showing you these DIY crafts, I also wanted to put in another craft that I did, which I used stuff that I had around my house to make. So I'm going to show you what I did for that. Okay, so here I have a spatula, four of the mason jar lids, and a cake pan. And I'm going to take the black spray paint to make sure the whole spatula is completely black. And then I'm taking the same black spray paint and spray painting the mason lids. Now for the cake pan, I'm going to take red spray paint and completely spray paint it. Okay, I took the mason jar lids and super glued them to the sides of the pan. Then I'm going to take the spatula and super glue the flipper end to the end of the cake pan. After this dries, you'll have a really cute little fall wagon to put pumpkin and other decor in. So I also wanted to show you what else I'd gotten. I also got one of these little, they're called display easels. Oh, excuse me. And I also got this harvest blessing sign. And I'm planning on putting it in the little easel and displaying it like that. Then I also got these little pumpkins to go in that little wagon craft that I did. I got this wheel wreath form. It's actually a bicycle wheel wreath form. And I'm thinking about some kinds of DIYs I can do with that sometime. Then I also got these leaf picks, and I'm going to pull the leaves apart to scatter through on the wagon. Then I found these pumpkin scented pine cones, and I got this craft bottle, and I'm going to put the pine cones inside here and then use the fall ribbon that I had on my last video and make a little bow, and so it'll just leave out some little pumpkin scents. And then, not sure where I'm going to put this yet, but I also picked up a pumpkin that says thankful and blessed. Okay, so here is the pumpkin in the galvanized bucket that we just made. And here's how the wagon turned out with the sign that I put on that easel holder. And here I have those scented pine cones in the jar and the candle holder that we made in the last video. And here's also the wreath from the last video as well. I hope you guys liked this video, and let me know if you stopped at your Dollar Tree. If you really need any fall stuff, you should really check it out. I will see you guys next time. Bye.